Hey guys, today's video is about how to write a professional business letter. So let's begin. How to write a business letter. A business letter is formal, clear, and professional. Here's a simple standard way to write one, followed by a short example. Standard business letter format. Your contact information, top left or top right. Your name, your address, city, state, zip, email, and phone number and date. Next, recipient's information, recipient's name, job title, company name, and company address. Next is salutation. Use a formal greeting like Dear Mr., Dear Ms., Dear Doctor, and then their last name. If unknown, Dear Hiring Manager or Dear Sir or Madam. Body of the letter. Usually 3 short paragraphs. Paragraph 1, purpose. State why you are writing. I am writing to inquire about. Paragraph 2, details. Provide necessary information or explanation. Our company has been providing. Paragraph 3, close in action. Say what you expect next. I look forward to your response. And here we have closing, so formal ending, sincerely, respectfully, best regards, and then signature section, your full name, your title if applicable, and company name if applicable. When you need to write a letter without a template, you should establish a clear purpose. Why are you writing? To inform, persuade, request, etc. Know your audience. Who are you writing for? The audience will determine the style and language you use. Plan a logical sequence and organize your ideas into paragraphs. Be brief and precise, or if you prefer an acronym, KISS, keep it short and simple. Use plain language. Avoid jargon, complex words and abbreviations your reader might not understand. Use a formal or at least neutral business tone. Always be polite. When you have finished writing, check everything: the content, the format, the language, grammar, punctuation and spelling, and the style. For very important letters, you might want to get someone else with perfect English to check on you. And here we have example business letter. So, John Smith, 123 Main Street, New York, NY 10001, john.smith at email.com, 555-123-4567, December 27, 2025. Ms. Sarah Johnson, Marketing Manager, ABC Corporation, 456 Market Street, New York, New York City, 10002. Dear Ms. Johnson, I am writing to express my interest in establishing a business partnership with ABC Corporation. Our company specializes in digital marketing solutions and has over 10 years of experience in the industry. We believe that the collaboration between our organizations could be mutually beneficial. Enclosed is a brief overview of our services and recent projects. Thank you for your time and consideration. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss this further at your convenience. Yours sincerely, John Smith. Tips for writing a good business letter. Keep it clear and concise. Use a professional tone. Avoid slang or casual language. Proofread for grammar and spelling. Stick to one page if possible. If Finally, we can start with 20 common business letters phrases. Opening and stating purpose. I'm writing to inform you that. I am writing in reference to. I am writing to inquire about. We are pleased to inform you that. This letter is to confirm. Next one, requesting information or action. We would appreciate it if you could. Could you please provide us with? We kindly request that you. Please let us know at your earliest convenience. We look forward to receiving your response regarding. Giving information. We are pleased to inform you that. Please be advised that. We would like to clarify that. For your information, please note that. And last portion of knowledge for today, closing phrases. If you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact us. Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. Thank you for your cooperation. We look forward to a continued successful relationship. Yours sincerely. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. So the next video will be about examples of nice business letters. So please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned because the next video will be tomorrow. So thank you so much once again and take care of yourself. See you. Bye bye.